Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is my wrap-up using the Spruced Up workshop kit from Close to My Heart. I am a consultant for Close to My Heart, if you already don't know, but I love this kit. You guys, this is in the January-February catalog, or as also referred to as the Idea catalog. And you have to get over there and order this kit. I'm telling you, you can use this for winter layouts, Christmas layouts, even masculine layouts, outdoor layouts. I am telling you, do not let this skip your stash of products. I love it, love it, love it. You saw me just recently use the Urban collection, which I told you I love, 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 and I love this one just a little bit more, I'm telling you. And of course I put my own twist on it, and all of the videos are tagged Close to My Heart, the Spruced Up collection, if you haven't seen the process videos. This is just the wrap up. So this is all that I have left from the kit. And the paper cutting for this kit is much simpler than the Urban. Not that you can't follow it, because I'm telling you, the instructions, the step-by-step instructions are awesome. For this one, you're using more the 12 by 12 sheets, and you only have to take one 12 by 12 and cut it up, and one French vanilla and cut it up, and that is it. There's a lot of die cut pieces in this kit. All right, and a lot more left over on sticker embellishments. And I love this kit so much that I've ordered some more of the papers, because I decided that I am going to document my trip to go see my dad in Oregon during the Thanksgiving holiday week in 2019. And so that's what I'm documenting. So I just want to continue with it. I have some more photographs to document. Now, I won't have these cut aparts, but I am getting the pattern paper, the coordinating cardstock. I've ordered it already. It's maybe here, time this video goes up. And I got some of the wood veneer, and I got the complements. So I am just so excited about this kit. All right, this is layout number 1. And this is a single page. You will create 2 single page layouts. And here's the cutting instructions. See, boom, 1, 2, that's it. Where the Urban collection, which I love, 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 and I love all the little pieces that, all the strips of papers that we had to cut up, because it was just different ideas for your layouts. You had to cut 10 sheets of paper. All right. This one, like I said, is heavily with die cuts already in it. So this is layout number 1. And this one, I followed exactly what's on this layout. I did not alter it in any way. Here where I've got these word phrases, they also suggest that you can write your word phrases and cut them out and place them on your layout. So that's layout number 1. And that's me with my dad's dog named Skippy. All right, this is layout number 2, which is a double page. So this is the first page. This will be on the right side of my album. Oh, did I mention I have these wood veneer trees left over? Sorry, I forgot. Excuse me, I'm still fighting and recovering from what I thought was just an upper respiratory infection, and it ended up being bronchitis. It could have turned into it, I guess. It may have started out that way. All right, on this one, what I altered from here was me using mixed media products in my stash. They recommended just taking your modeling paste of any form and just kind of dragging it across. You could use like a spatula type thing for mixed media and drag it, or you could use a card. Well, I took it a step further and decided that I was going to use some items in my stash that I hadn't used in a while. And you take embossing powder, then you take from Ranger this sticky embossing powder and you put it on top and you heat set it. Then you can take any type of glitter that you have, which I had some glitter in here. And then I also had this stuff that was gifted to me about 5 years ago from a girlfriend, and it has like sand in it. I apologize for my dog barking. Now, another option that you could use to create this, be similar, won't have a gritty sand look in here, is you could use Vicki Boutin texture paste. Just an idea. Okay, in the instructions it said to take your modeling paste and kind of dab it on here to mimic snow. That was so fun to do. So anyway, there's a full process video. Other than that, I followed the layout as using the die cuts, the word up here, the little sticker, so you can see right here. Hopefully you're not getting a glare. So that's the one side, and this is a double spread. Okay, the opposite, let me flip the page. Opposite is this one here. Same thing, I followed. It recommended using the modeling paste and just dabbing it on there, making it like little mounds, making it rough. Followed that instruction, put the leaf. I followed everything on here. The title, did my journaling. Now here, to bring in some of that glitter, I only did a little bit because this was enough on this side. This is like bam in your face, and then you just kind of go subtle across over here. Now you could add some splatters, you know, ink splatters along here possibly if you wanted to draw it together, or just leave it like it is. It's fine. Doesn't have to be completely. Oh, and the other thing that I altered was the zip strip. I used the darker green rather than the lighter green. So that's my double page there. Spread. For the second double page, so this would be layout number 4 actually. Double spread. This one I completely altered, all right? I took this right here is the strip I cut off from here. Then the scallop edge, look what I did. So this is an option for you. I flipped it and I put it up rather than being down. So that's just an option. When you've got these kits, you can alter them. Oh, you know, don't be afraid to. And same with the title. This title actually goes on to the single page layout, but it was more fitting for these photographs. So I'm just saying cherish this snow day, and I like this, but I did the tree element, but I couldn't make the wood veneer work here of the tree. I mean, I guess it's okay, or I could go with the taller one, but see that one does look okay, so maybe I will come back and add that. Doesn't look bad at all sitting there like that. So I may come back and add that one. And then I put the trees, and I just kind of stacked them instead of it being straight across. I put the deer in there. So that's that page. Oops, what's sticking? Oh, and then I added these little snowflakes that I had from Felicity Jane. All right, this is the second page. And this one, oh, in the first page, these are straight up and down, and I kind of made those other ones kind of wonky. Now this one I kept straight up and down, but because I have this going the other way, excuse me, and then I placed this tree like it did, but I put some pop dots here to add some three-dimensional look to it. And then there's this huge buck that is laying down right here on my dad's property. And so I put, this is the best place. I'm referring to that deer, trying to be, you know, cute. And then I added the washi tape. All right, so that's one side. Let's show you the other side. So here, see, hopefully this is in screen, I'm not sure. Let's see. It looks just fine. Go back to the videos. I explain, you know, how I laid these down at, you know, the distance from the bottom and everything. Love how this turned out. And then the last page. Oh, the last page is right here. Okay, so this one, I followed the instructions, and it said to, you know, put like, you know, make like snow on some of the trees or all of them, and I just did the one in gray, but I followed it. The only thing I did different here is I moved this word tag, I put it up here, and then because I used the Cherish This on the other layout, I had the compliments for the Spruced Up, and I just took Snow Fun. And then again, this is me here, and then I put the snowflakes here, but then I added these from Felicity Jane. I added the snow right there and one right there, and then I used the Nuva Mica Mist and added the gray right in here. And I used that mica mist to change my modeling paste to the gray. All right, those are the layouts. Aren't those, isn't that fun? I still got to do my journaling right here. Oh, you also noticed that my pictures were smaller again because I printed from home, so I couldn't get them. They were all to be 4 by 4. So some were landscapes, some were portraits, and I couldn't get them. So isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. And if you haven't checked out my friend Kathy, which is also a close to my heart consultant, and if she's your consultant, you need to order from her. Don't come order from me. Go order from her or Becky, which is also my friend from Mini Kit Mondays. You need to go check out, and Becky may have some videos up. I have my videos up, but I know when I started doing my videos, Kathy was already like on her second double page doing like 4 and 5. But anyway, you need to go check her out. I will have her link listed below, and if Becky's posting any layouts, I'll have her link. But I know she will be posting because she loves to get the workshop kit. This is my only second time getting the workshop kit because I kind of like to do my own thing, and I'll get the bits and pieces. But if I like all the bits and pieces, then I'm going to get the workshop kit because it is the best deal. All right, I'll have all my contact information also listed in the description box below, along with the links to Becky and Kathy's channel. And if you don't have a consultant, I would love to have you. I mean, if you do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer come over and shop with me. All right, and we'll see you next time. Bye.